Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by cutting power and isolating the Xbox 360. This prevents shorting and preserves saved data. Once done, note the power brick LED. Green or orange tells you if the supply is okay, and remove the hard drive and faceplate so you can access screws. Make sure to work on a non-static surface and organize screws by step. Next, disconnect all external cables and use compressed air to blow dust from vents before you open the case. That reduces heat-related failures. You now open the console and methodically inspect components. Keep screws and panels in order so reassembly is exact. Once inside, blow out dust, check the heatsink and fan for obstruction, and look for cracked solder or scorched components that indicate overheating. You should remove old thermal paste, clean surfaces with alcohol, and apply fresh paste before reseating the heatsink. Make sure ribbon cables and power connectors are fully seated. Loose connectors often cause boot issues, so double-check. You reassemble the console in reverse order, confirm all screws and cables return to their places, and reconnect only the power and video to test boot. Once powered, watch LED behavior and listen for abnormal fan noise. Let the system reach operating temperature to confirm stability. If it boots, apply system updates and test the disk drive and controller. If red rings or failure persist, try a verified working power brick, then consider professional repair. Always backup saves before major repairs to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.